Hey there, culinary lovers! I know we all dream of having that iconic KitchenAid artisan stand mixer in our kitchens. The power, the style, the convenience. It's the epitome of culinary luxury. But let's be real, that price tag can be a bit intimidating. Well, fear not. Today, I've scoured the web to find you 5 incredible alternatives, all under $200 that won't compromise on quality. For those on a tight budget, the Kitchen-in-the-Box electric stand mixer is a steal. It offers efficient electric speeds, a compact design, and quality beaters for a consistent mix every time. Enter the ACMA stand mixer. With a spacious 6.5 quart capacity and a versatile 6-speed tilt head design, it's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. Looking for something compact yet powerful, the GE Tilt Head 5.3 quart stand mixer is your go-to. With essential features and a space-saving design, it's perfect for any countertop. Now, let's talk about the Cookly stand mixer. With a powerful motor and dishwasher-safe attachments, it's a beast in the kitchen that doesn't shy away from any mixing challenge. And the best part is, it's budget-friendly price. Last but not least, we present the Cuisinart stand mixer. With its brushed chrome finish and a 5.5 quart capacity, it marries elegance with functionality, all within a budget-friendly range. So there you have it. 5 fantastic alternatives to the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer, all under $200. Don't let the price limit your culinary dreams. Check the links below for more information on each of these incredible products. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share with fellow kitchen enthusiasts. Let's empower every chef to create culinary wonders without breaking the bank.